what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel once again. W205. This is my new update for my W204 c43 AMG. I'll be installing the centerpiece right here. It's carbon fiber. And now it's it has that kind of like a wood look to it. But I'm just replace it with this. This just sits on top of it. Pretty cool, I guess. It's gonna give it a nice look, and it does go installed with that 3M double-sided tape. Just put it over on top, and it comes with this centerpiece that goes here. Pretty cool. Gonna give it a new look in the inside. Show you guys how it looks in a bit. And before installing, just make sure everything's clean, no dust is on it. If not, the double-sided tape won't stick as well as being clean. Make sure you clean it, just add some alcohol, just rub everything off. So this is how it looks. So technically you just put it on top. You have this screen right here. So what you want to do first is throw it in there first, and then clamp it down. Everything will just, sit perfectly fine after that. Right there. So this is the middle plate. So just peel off the stickers, and then there's the easy part. And then after that, just try to place it like right in the middle. Jump right on, and then just add pressure to get it to stick correctly. This is the final view, guys. Let me know what you guys think. For me, this thing looks freaking amazing. Looks pretty nice. Definitely picks it up how it looks from original. Looks pretty nice. I don't know how it's picking up here on the phone, on the camera, but on the person, it's like really nice. And also under the game, there's carbon fiber key case. Gives it a pretty cool look to your key. Not to match with this. Got this at Amazon. I think it was like $30. Not that bad.